Hello everyone, welcome to your summer series. Today I'm going to guide you to a upper body workout. I have 2-pound weights, but feel free to use anything you have. So let's get started into a nice little stretch. I want you to bend those knees and then reach those arms all the way up. Exhale, lower down. Bring it back up. Exhale, lower down. Press through those heels. Beautiful. Reach and lower. Just gonna get that body nice and warm. You guys know the drill here. Reach and lower down. Okay, we're gonna bring that right hand onto that hip. And then on the exhale, reach it all the way over, feeling that nice stretch into that upper body, into that side oblique. Inhale. And on the exhale, left hand onto the hip and reach that other arm up. You should feel a nice little stretch here. And just alternate from side to side. Reach it over. Ooh, I'm a little stiff today, so this is starting to feel really good. Okay, shake it out. You're gonna step it back with your left leg and then reach those arms all the way up and your eyes are reaching to the sky. Step it back, reach it up. So you should feel a nice stretch through that core. 4, 2, and 1. Right hand onto that hip, bend that left arm. We're gonna take a little step in, and again, that side stretch here. Little step out, little step in, feeling that stretch all the way. Breathe it through. 4, 2, and 1. Slowly step it back in, switching over to the other side, so step it back with the right. Same thing here, reach those arms up, step it in. Reach it back and up. 4, 2, and 1. Now place that left hand onto the hip, bend that right arm, little step in, and then reach it over to the side. You can almost use those hips and lean them all the way to the upper side. 4, 2, and 1. Slowly step it in. We're gonna bend those arms, feeling that nice little twist here into that upper body. Reach those arms long. 4, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna bring those shoulders together, and then on the exhale, hinge that upper body forward, let those arms fall over. Nice little shoulder stretch, feel stretching through those hamstrings. Inhale, exhale out. And we're gonna fold those elbows together and swing that upper body from side to side. Loosening up that lower body, especially if you've been sitting or sleeping. This is a great exercise right here. Okay, we're gonna bend those knees, maybe into this deep squat. Use those elbows to push those knees out. We're gonna reach that right arm up, bring it down, the left arm up, bring it down. One more on each side. Reach and reach. Beautiful. We're gonna shake it out. Okay, we're gonna grab those weights right here and maybe into a standing position. Come into a squat, into a front raise, press it back up. Lower down, press it up. Squeeze that booty while lowering down. Gonna get into a nice upper body work today. Working those arms, shoulders, biceps. Bring it down. Beautiful. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Press it up. Okay, come onto the front of the mat. Come into a lunge. Hammer curl, press it up, bring it back up. So stepping back with that left leg, press and in. Engage that core. Beautiful. On the next one, we're going to hold it here. Bring those arms into a hammer curl. Palms are facing up. Little pulses into that squat. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Reach those arms out and in. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna lean that upper body forward. Bring those arms in front. Open up to the side. Lower down into that fly. Squeezing that back. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Step it in, shake it out. Beautiful. Over to the other side right here. Stay in front of your mat. We're gonna step it back with that right leg. Hammer curl, shoulder press. Bring it up. So keep that chest nice and open. Breathe it through. Strong arms. Four, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Bring the arms down into that hammer curl. Palms are facing up. Little pulses in that lunge. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it low. Reach those arms out and in, out and in. Engage that core. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lean that upper body forward. Extend those arms out. Extend that back leg. Open it up. Lower down. Squeezing those back muscles every time we're coming up. Bring it back in. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Step it in, shake it out. Beautiful. All right, right here, we're gonna come onto our knees. If you have sensitive knees, you can always add a little padding, double mat, an extra towel, or even take this standing. Completely up to you. Okay, we're gonna take a deep inhale. We're gonna come into a front raise, reaching back, side raise. Front raise, reaching back, bring it up. Make sure to squeeze those glutes all the way here. Breathe it through. Ooh, those arms are getting tired here. Slight bend into those arms. I feel these front raises are always so tricky with our weights. it is so hard to build this up and go heavier. So with these lighter weights, really getting into it. Breathe it through. Nice and controlled. Give me 3 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. We're gonna palms are facing up, roll your shoulder blades back, again engaging that core. I want you to come halfway through here, lower down, all the way up. Bring it down. Halfway through, lower down, all the way. So half bicep curl, bring it in, all the way. Should really start to feel that fire up here. Beautiful. On the next one, we're gonna bring it halfway, reach it out, squeeze it in. Tight glutes, tight core. Nice and strong. Or 2. And 1. Okay, I want you to take it in front here. We're coming into a chest opener. Reach that left arm up, reach that right arm up. Same thing here. Nice little combo. Working that back, working those shoulders. For 2 and 1. Now we're going to slowly lean and hinge a little bit forward. I want you to press those arms out, bring it in, left arm tricep extension, right arm. Press it forward, bring it in, tricep extension.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want.
Beautiful. Give me 2 more.
Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on
For
in your
2.
heart? What's it gonna take for
And
you?
1. Hold it here. Pulse it out. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And shake out that upper body. There is a little bit of love here. Okay, we're gonna bring those arms over to the side. We're gonna reach that left arm to the back, bring it back up. Reach it to the back, bring it up so that chest is working, arms, shoulders here. Squeeze and lower down. With control. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring it in. Okay, I want you to bring both arms in front. If at any point the weights are too much, you can always modify and continue without the weights. We're gonna press those arms up, Give me 2 overhead tricep extensions. Bring it forward, lower down. Press it up. 2 overhead tricep extensions. Feel that full range of motion. Press it up. And press.
1 step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Time's out, run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig
4,
deep,
2.
it's time to make a move on my heart.
And 1 more. We're gonna hold it here onto those overhead tricep extensions. 4, 10, 9, engage that core. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down, shake it out. Okay, we're gonna drop one of the weights. We're gonna get into some obliques and core. I want you to place that right leg in front. Now bring that weight right here. We're gonna take it across, lower down. So we're really getting into those obliques as long as you pull that belly button towards the spine. Lower down. Into our wood choppers. Breathe it through.
There's a jungle out there, you know, baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. You're just an animal in uniform. There's no need to settle down, down, down. I've said it before, I'll say it again, baby, let your love run wild, wild.
4, 4,
There's a jungle
3,
out there, you know.
2, and 1. Switch legs here. Left leg is forward. There we go, all the way across. Bring it in. Breathe it through. 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna place those weights over to the side. We're gonna get into our final push-ups. So nice little upper body, working the back, working the shoulders. I know our arms are feeling a little tired here. Either take it onto a plank position or onto your hands and knees. Again, I'd rather you have good form than pushing it through and not having good form and not being able to activate all the right muscles. So I'm gonna take it here onto my knees. We're gonna give a final 10 here. Take a deep inhale, and there we go. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice little child's pose here. Move that booty back, inhale. And exhale out. We're gonna slowly roll it up, shake out that upper body. You are all done for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you very soon.